Members of the House of Spice, welcome back to another music video reaction. You guys just watched my reaction probably about half an hour ago when this goes up on the YouTubes. You guys saw the group that I'm about to react to again. So we're going to be taking a look at this music video that came out 4 weeks ago. It's called Firework. Again, I don't know if they're called An Team or Steam. You know, just like I got, you know, I got crapped on for calling H1 key, not knowing it's a play on words for high key when I reacted to them. But you guys were nice about it. I wouldn't say you guys was giving me crap about that. You guys were saying, it's pronounced high key. I'm like, okay, I'm sorry, okay. When I do research, I end up getting spoilers. So that's why I only do research after my first watch through, my first discovery of groups like this one. But you know what? I'm going to let you guys handle all that, and let's just jump right into the Firework MV. Let's go.
My precious time.
Oh wow, a little bit of a synthwave vibe. I'm digging it already. I love synthwave. Wow, they really blasted the film grain filter, but it's so film grain. This song sounds like one of Gravity's first couple of music videos. You know what I'm gonna do? Any K-pop track that has like a synthwave feel to it, I'm gonna start compiling Spotify playlists, and then I'm gonna share it with you guys on Discord. You know, I think synthwave artists like Pilot and The Midnight should work with K-pop groups. If you guys know who I'm talking about and you love that idea, slam that thumbs up on the video. And tell me what your favorite songs from Pilot and The Midnight.
Firework.
Yo, is that it, or is there more? Okay, that's pretty much it. The rest looks like it's kind of like a long-winded teaser into the music video that we just reacted to, which was Road Not Taken. You guys saw that video about 15 to 30 minutes ago up on the YouTube channel. Anyway, yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you guys like that idea of K-pop groups and Western synthwave artists should collab. Cause man, I love K-pop and J-pop and synthwave. They're like right there with heavy metal. And I don't have a favorite genre anymore. Ever since the pandemic, ever since the lockdown, man, everything was like heavy metal and K-pop, and then everything else was like down here. Now it's all equal. I love all the music that I discovered. I like them equally now. I don't have a favorite anymore. Reggae, because I live in Hawaii. Reggae was my all-time favorite. Then high school happened. I started hanging out with a whole bunch of different people. I got exposed to hip hop, rap, R&B, metal, ska music even, and I was like, bye bye reggae. Yeah. Follow me on social media. All my links are in the description, and please join my Discord. I love it when you guys leave me messages on Discord, and I usually reply to you guys pretty quickly. And oh, one more thing. I just unlocked a new feature on my Patreon. So, if you guys don't want to wait and you guys want a sneak peek, just donate $1 and you will get pretty much the entire week or half a week's worth of YouTube videos all in one day. I'll name it in parentheses or in brackets. I'll put early access and then the name of the music video reaction, and then in the description area on Patreon I'll say this music video reaction will upload on this day at this time. So because I usually react to like 6 music videos and then I schedule them throughout the week, and then I record 4 to 6 more, schedule them, and then bam, that's it. I'm done for the week so that I can focus on other stuff. So now that I've unlocked a new tier on Patreon, early access is a thing, and I'm only charging $1 for that. So yeah, join my Discord. Peace out.